completed around 22 kilometers. The climate is very chill. It's dawn. The horizon sun has started just rising. Beautiful climate. Welcome to TD Adventure. This is your travel buddy Tushar. So today we are doing 300 BRM. It is the third season of SR. Last Sunday we did 200 BRM. Today is the third 300 BRM from Vashi to Mahad and back. The BRM starts at Vashi railway station, Havre Infotech Park, and turnaround is at 150 kilometers Mahad, and then again back to the same start point, Havre Infotech Park, in opposite to Vashi railway station. So we will see the prerequisites of starting a BRM. So if you see, for starting a Breve, you have to submit your waiver form and then collect Breve card from Siddharth. Siddharth is the person who manages Navi Mumbai Kalyan Cyclist Club. So here submission of Breve card and then bike check is going on. In the bike check they check the rear tail light, front light, your reflective vest, helmet. Here is the checklist to see what all things you need to carry for doing 300 BRM. So right now if you see, Siddharth is doing the route briefing.
So we go from here towards Vashi railway station, turn left. After 300-400 meters we again turn left and we go in Pambich.
So we have started our 300 BRM. The flag off has been done at 6 AM. Let's go. So it's 7 AM. We have completed around 22 kilometers. The climate is very chill. It's dawn. The horizon sun has started just rising. Beautiful climate. Today, for the 300 BRM, Raju Bhai is with me, Yogesh is there, and Ganesh. So we did the last 200 also together. This time also we have participated in this 300 BRM together. Let's go. So it's 8:20. We have crossed around 50 kilometers. Now we have halted for a breakfast at Sai Sahara restaurant. We'll have immediately idli and vada.
This is Ganesh Patil and
After that, we'll move ahead. Ganesh, Raju. Here we have one more Raju, Puneet, Satish, Pankaj. So we are riding together from the start almost. So we'll have a quick breakfast and go ahead. This is the Sai Sahara restaurant. 6:30 and we have completed around 90 kilometers. Now there is a beautiful ghat. We have to climb that ghat. A good elevation. You can see the start of the ghat. Raju bhai is ahead, then Ganesh. You can see the elevation. Let's go. It's 11 o'clock. We have crossed 100 kilometers. We have reached the Pollard. We will be having some refreshments. The climate has turned now like sunny. So we'll have some lemonade to refresh. You can see Raju bhai is here with me. Hi Raju. Hi. Ganesh is also here. So we'll have some lemonade and then move ahead. More 50 kilometers for turnaround point. So it's 1:57. We have reached the control point 2. We have been provided with lunch. Thali. In Mahad it's very hot. The temperature have gone high. Slightly so difficult to ride, but somehow we managed and reached the control point 2 at Mahad. Now let's have the food and start for the return journey. So it's 5 p.m. We have crossed around 190 kilometers. More 110 kilometers to go to reach the last point, last CP. Complete the 300 BRM. Ganesh is here with me. We have now just stopped for a hydration point.
It's a hydration break for 5 minutes. Then again we'll move towards Vashi.
Just to relax our legs so that we can again bounce back with great energy. Let's go. So it's 6:20 p.m. We have crossed 212 kilometers. The crucial ghat has been crossed in the daylight itself, which is a very important thing for us. We have halted for some hydration. Raju bhai is with me. Ganesh is also there, and some 2 more cyclists are there with me. Slightly exhausted, but determination to complete with 300 BRM. Let's go. So it's 10:30 and we have reached Palaspe Phata. Now only 20 kilometers to go for the finish line. Raju and Ganesh is with me. We three of us are riding together. Thus we reached Vashi railway station at 12:06 am and completed our 300 BRM. This is the second BRM of the third series of SR. I hope you have liked our video. Do like, subscribe and press the bell icon. More updates about such rides. Till then, here your travel buddy Tushar signing off. Take care. Bye bye.